To enable or disable unlock with home button in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Tap Display. Scroll down. Tap Navigation bar. Tap hard press home button switch until blue to enable. Tap unlock with home button switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.